Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? Well, I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in just 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back you guys. I'm Stylist Lee. You're on my channel. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. So I have another makeover video for you all. Today our model is Erin. Hi. You see, she's a natural. We already shampooed her hair, deep conditioned. So now we're ready to do an install. So today we're going to be doing something fun and exciting. She's going to be getting extensions today. It's been a while since she's had extensions. And we've been preparing her hair for this day. So she does suffer with dryness, but before we did her install, we did several deep conditioners following up to this appointment. So now that we have her nice and soft and she's actually ready to braid her hair up for her installation, we're going to be surprising her with some color. So she's been thinking about getting purple hair and pink tips. So we're going to be doing something fun and exciting today, and I can't wait for you guys to see. So, but before we start, we already put her leave-in conditioner in because we want to make sure her hair is nice and soft. And then we're going to blow dry her hair out. Once we finish blow drying her hair, we're going to braid her up. And then once we braid her up, we're going to begin with her installation process. So let's begin. So we have Erin all blow dried out. As you guys can see, the shrinkage is real. So what we're going to do for her, this is a hair tip for you guys. We're going to moisturize her up before doing any installation. All right, you guys, so we're back. She is fully braided. We're going to be doing the left part. Then we're going to be using SL Raw version hair, 12-inch natural wavy. And we're going to be coloring this purple today, you guys. So follow me over as I get ready to install it. So let's go.